Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Just Forex. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Just Forex is a fully regulated, low-risk ECN and STp Forex broker that was founded in 2012. By signing up with Just Forex, you can benefit from ultra-low spreads, low minimum deposits, and commission-free accounts. There are more than 170 instruments on offer, and you can trade a variety of Forex pairs, metals, indices, shares, cryptocurrencies, and energies using the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. Just Forex offers 7 types of accounts, with virtual private server services and copy trading tools, and we recommend trading with them if you are new to trading. The broker offers a user-friendly website, and all the information you need about their accounts, platforms, tools and instruments can be found by choosing an option directly from the menu bar. The landing page highlights information about the spreads, instruments, and other features offered, and there are also direct download links for the MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms. There are plenty of helpful guides and articles further down the homepage, and all their legal documents can be found at the very bottom of the page. To find out more detailed information about the instruments you can trade with Just Forex, go to the Accounts section under the Trading Accounts tab and click on In Details. Just Forex offers more than 60 currency pairs and a variety of metals, indices, shares, cryptocurrencies, and energies. Their spreads start as low as 0 pips on the raw spreads account, and many of the instruments offered can be traded commission-free. The Just Forex customer support team is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, in English, Indonesian, and Malaysian. You can contact them directly via email, live chat, or telephonically, or you can request a callback. The support team can also be reached on Telegram, Instagram, Viber, and Facebook Messenger, and there are dedicated, direct lines for compliance issues and finance-related queries. Just Forex offers a welcome bonus of $30 when you open a welcome account, which can be transferred to another trading account. They also offer a 120% deposit bonus with no limits for depositing from $500 or 50% for deposits under $100 and 100% for deposits over $100. You can also earn up to $50 for every friend you refer who successfully signs up with Just Forex, and there are no fees charged on deposits and withdrawals. Just Forex accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader trading platforms, which are available as a desktop platform, a mobile application, or as a web trader interface. MetaTrader 4 and 5 are currently ranking amongst the most popular trading platforms in the world. MetaTrader 4 was released in 2005, and MetaTrader 5 was released in 2010. These platforms are renowned for their advanced analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading support, and they can be downloaded at no cost. With MetaTrader 4, you get access to 3 types of order execution, basic tools for graphic analysis, one-click and algorithmic trading, fundamental analysis, suggested trading strategies, expert advisors, and more. With MetaTrader 5, you get access to advanced platform customization, the optimized processing of expert advisors and indicators, access to smart trader tools and auto chartist, one-click and algorithmic trading, fundamental analysis, and much more. The MetaTrader platforms offer a high level of customizability and security, and are also a great option for traders who are interested in automating their strategies. JustForex is also a highly recommended broker for social trading or copy trading, and MQL5 signals are provided, along with plenty of trusted and experienced signal providers. Depending on whether you use MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, you will have different account options for each platform. If you use MetaTrader 4, there are 4 types of accounts that you can open. All the MetaTrader 4 accounts can be converted to swap-free accounts, and 3 of the 4 accounts are commission-free. The MetaTrader 4 accounts allow a maximum leverage of 1 to 3,000, and the spreads on the raw spread account start as low as 0 pips. The standard cent and standard accounts require a minimum deposit of $1, while the pro and raw spread accounts can be activated by depositing $100. We recommend the standard cent account for beginners. If you are ready to make larger deposits, you can open a standard, pro, or raw spread account. All 3 accounts can be converted to swap-free accounts, and 2 of the 3 accounts are commission-free. If you prefer to use MetaTrader 5, there are 3 types of accounts you can open, and the lowest minimum deposit required is $1 on the standard account. The MetaTrader 5 accounts also allow a maximum leverage of 1 to 3,000, and the spreads on the MetaTrader 5 raw spread account also start as low as 0 pips. All accounts offered by JustForex can be converted to swap-free accounts, but this feature is only available to Muslim clients. If you are trading for the first time, we recommend opening either a standard cent account or a demo account, which will allow you to trade in a risk-free environment using virtual funds. Creating an account with JustForex may take up to 24 hours. However, the account creation process is simple and straightforward. Firstly, launch the JustForex homepage, and then click on the Registration button. Complete the online application form. Next, you will want to verify your account and email address. And once your account has been verified, you can log into the client portal. From the client portal, traders who are looking to open a demo account can easily do so by simply clicking on Account Operations, choosing My Accounts, and then simply adding a demo account. Once your account has been set up and is ready, the next step would be to choose and download your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Download and install your preferred platform, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with JustForex. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch. And at the top of the screen, a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader trading platforms, you can find a variety of helpful educational material and content online or over on the MetaTrader website to help you get started. With regards to educational resources, if you are new to trading, there are plenty of educational videos and Forex trading guides that you can use to learn about the basics of trading. We also recommend using the trading glossary to learn about common concepts and terms used by traders. And if you are ready to explore more advanced concepts and trading techniques, then you can head over to their online webinars section to learn more about indicators, risk management, technical analysis, trading strategies, and more. Once you've gotten the hang of trading, you can use their daily forecasts, market news, and economic calendar to plan your trades carefully and develop better trading strategies. Overall, JustForex is highly recommended for beginners and social traders. They offer a variety of instruments and generous promotions to their clients, and you will also be able to trade on 2 of the most popular and most trusted trading platforms on the market. If you would like to trade with a broker that provides reliable market news, daily forecasts, educational resources, and low-risk commission-free accounts, then JustForex is the broker for you. If you are interested, be sure to open your JustForex account today to claim your welcome bonus and bring a friend along with you for an extra $50 referral reward. And that is our overview of JustForex. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.